Hello and welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos to you guys. What we've been working on is a brand new MG ZS. What we've upgraded this particular vehicle with is a brand new audio system. So if you own one of these, what you'll find is a couple of different things. First thing that's really noticeable is that it's incredibly quiet. Second of all, it's just there's no mid-range and there's no clarity there coming from the top end as well as the fact you've got no bass. It's just an overall relatively basic entry-level system. So we've completely changed that, we've upgraded that completely and absolutely transformed the sound in this vehicle. Please don't forget, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like and share our video, but the main thing is to subscribe to keep up to date with all our latest installation videos. So what we've been talking you through is a little bit more about how the system works, how it's all been put together, and how this customer's actually interacted with us and how you guys can book in with us as well. We're based in Cambridge and our workshop facilities are behind me, so feel free to visit us, and also we'll sit down with you and via consultation, we'll actually sit down and design the system to exactly how you want it. This customer did exactly that. They came in on a Saturday morning and had a listen to our demo car. Had an absolute great time here. We went through all the other installs in the workshop, gave them a full tour of our workshop, and then we sat down and actually showed individual components, showed what was possible and what we wanted to do. Then what we got down to was the nitty-gritty stuff. We went down to an exact amount of soundproofing we wanted to go for, as well as which different options we wanted to go down. We can literally customize a solution for every single customer. So at the beginning, when we were sitting down, we actually estimated for a large system, and what we went with now is an Audison Prima system. Really good example of how you can upgrade the system without anything really being visible in terms of the front end, but giving you loads more clarity, loads more mid-range, and also a lot more bass into the vehicle as well. So absolutely amazing system. So what we've gone for is an Audison Prima front end. So it's the Audison Prima APK165s, an incredibly efficient speaker running off a factory head unit or aftermarket head unit. One of the really cool thing with this whole system is that we can amplify the whole system in terms of the front and rear speakers all at a later stage. The speakers perform effectively under factory conditions. Later on, if you wanted to add an amplifier to run them, you certainly can. And what that does is basically future-proofing and making the system done in stages. So the initial stage is getting all the speakers in, getting everything done in terms of soundproofing. Later on, we can add an amplifier to run them and really gain a lot more volume from the system. So it's the Audison Prima APK165s in the doors. They're all made into a custom speaker ring mounted to the door. And this whole system is actually reversible as well. And we've also added in 20 sheets of soundproofing to the vehicle. So a little bit of that has gone into each door in terms of front and rear, and it basically reduces your rattles that you get from every system. That's all been removed and all been installed professionally, and it's all spread over certain areas that are prone to rattling on this vehicle. And that gets carried out on any vehicle for that matter, so feel free to get in touch with us and we'll guide you through that in consultation as well, guide you through how many sheets your vehicle will need. So that's the front end. You can't see a thing, everything's hidden away behind factory grills, the tweeters up on the A-pillar, the 6.5-inch woofers in the door. Moving over to the rear, we've got 6.5-inch coaxial, which again fits behind factory location, completely invisible. You can't see anything, everything's hidden away behind the factory door cards and factory grills. So a really nice solution if you're looking to hide everything and you want everything to be neatly installed and professionally done as well. So that's basically the front end, and that's all running off your factory head unit, but can be amped at a later stage. Moving over to the rear, what we've got there is the Audison Prima 10-inch active sub, an absolutely amazing product. If you're looking into subwoofers and didn't want to take up, you've seen maybe subs that are taking up loads of room in people's boots. Not this one, it's really compact. It's designed as a compact sub for the OEM market. People that are looking to add a factory upgrade but don't want to take up too much room or want it relatively easy to use and removable. Sub can be easily removed, but also the main thing with this system is that you can still put shopping on top of it. It doesn't take up too much room, it raises up your boot for in that little corner, still put stuff on top of it, you can use your boot as you used to, and if you do need the room, you can take that out and move and then put it back in when you want your bass back. So overall, really easy system to use in terms of when you're just playing your music via Spotify or via your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, via your factory head unit, and just bear in mind that doesn't need to be changed. Don't need to change head units nowadays. We can run all this, like we have done on this vehicle, off the factory head unit. So please don't forget to like and share the video, but the main thing is subscribe. And thank you very much once again for watching our short video, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.